Welcome. If you want to enable notifications from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, this guide is for you. Sometimes, important updates or conversations come from users outside your circle, and missing them can mean missing out. Here's how you can make sure you receive every notification, even from those you don't follow. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look to the left-hand menu and find the More icon. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, choose Privacy and Safety. This section is where you control who can interact with you and what notifications you receive. Inside Privacy and Safety, scroll down and click on Mute and Block. Here, you'll find the tools to manage muted accounts, blocked users, and most importantly, muted notifications. Now click on Muted Notifications. This is where X filters out notifications from certain types of accounts, including those you don't follow. By default, X may mute notifications from people you don't follow to reduce unwanted alerts. To change this, look for the checkbox labeled You Don't Follow. Simply uncheck this box. By doing so, you're telling X to allow notifications from everyone, not just the people you follow. This means you'll start seeing notifications from accounts outside your network, ensuring you never miss a relevant update or conversation. That's it. You've just updated your settings to receive notifications from people you don't follow. With these changes, your X experience becomes more open and connected, giving you access to a broader range of updates and interactions. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more settings to further customize your notifications and make the most of your time on X. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy staying connected to the wider world.